Namaskar. Many people rely on their morning 1 cup coffee to start their day. But did you know that high caffeine content in coffee can lead to stress and even disrupted sleep? Today, I am going to give you a recipe for an alternative drink. It is Ragi Coffee, which is caffeine free and can do wonders for your health. So, what makes this Ragi coffee special? Ragi or finger millet is super grain with lots of calcium. It has even iron and dietary fibers. When it is combined with few simple ingredients, it becomes a comforting drink. It provides the same warmth and comfort as coffee while nourishing your body, making it a fantastic coffee replacement. Now let us see how to prepare this drink. You will need 2 tablespoons ragi flour, 1 cup water, half cup milk or any other plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon jaggery, half teaspoon cocoa powder. Adding this is a personal choice. A pinch of cinnamon or cardamom powder. This is also optional, but your coffee will taste better with this. Mix the ragi flour with 2-3 tablespoons of water to form a smooth paste. Keep the remaining water in a pan and gradually add the ragi paste. Stir it continuously to prevent lumps. Do this on medium heat. Cook for 4-5 minutes until the mixture thickens to a coffee-like consistency. Stir milk and jaggery. Add cocoa or spices for flavor. Reduce the heat for a minute. Pour into a mug and here your hot coffee is ready. Let's look at why you should drink ragi coffee regularly. Ragi is excellent for your bone health, especially for seniors and children because of its high fiber content. It helps even to regulate blood sugar level. So it's a good choice for people managing diabetes. It contains tryptophan and an amino acid that will help you to sleep better. Researches also show that ragi can reduce oxidative stress and help you to overcome tiredness. Jaggery is a natural sweetener which has trace minerals like iron and zinc. It is good for digestion and detoxification. And cinnamon regulates blood sugar levels and improved metabolism. Studies show that it also improves brain function. So it is good to have it in the morning. Cardamom has a calming effect on the digestive system. If you choose to add cocoa, it contains polyphenols that improves mental performance and reduces stress. This ragi coffee offers sustained energy and nourishment. It is caffeine free. It hydrates your body and promotes calmness, relaxation without compromising alertness. It has all the comforting aspects of your cup of coffee while avoiding caffeine-related side effects. Switching into ragi coffee isn't it about changing a drink? It's about embracing a mindful lifestyle. It's small, powerful choice to stay energized, balanced, in tune of your health and well-being. Namaskar.